This is critical angle for glass. Same as the sin CG is 1 by mu G A. Correct? Suppose I want to write critical angle for this is glass, water. This is what? Critical angle for glass with respect to water. Sin CG that will be equal to 1 by refractive index of glass with respect to water. This is mu WG. This is mu W by UG. చూడండి this is sin CW అంటే 1 by mu W కదా. What is the mu W? పట్టుకొని తిరుగుతున్నాం అది mu W 1 by by sin CG.
Sir, someone is unmute, sir.
So mu W by mu G. Mu W by mu G అంటే sin CG by sin CW. CW అంటే sin inverse sin CG by sin CW.
So there's a lot of disturbances.
మాట్లాడేది చూడు. Now when ray is going from water into air, sin CW critical angle 1 by mu WG mu WA mu WA mu W అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. సో mu W అంటే 1 by CW sin CW. అలాగే when ray is going from air into glass into air, sin CG equal to 1 by mu GA. అంటే 1 by mu G. So mu G equal to 1 by sin CG. Govinda?
Yes.
Suppose if a ray is going from glass into water, now glass is denser, water is rarer. Sin CGW అంటే 1 by mu GW. 1 by mu GW నేను రాయొచ్చు, mu WG అని రాయొచ్చు.
Yes, sir.
mu WG అంటే mu W by mu G. mu W ఎంత ఉంది 1 by CW. mu G ఎంత ఉంది 1 by CG. ఇక్కడ పెట్టారు. పెడితే sin CG by sin CW వచ్చింది.
Yes, sir.
That is sin CGW. CGW అంటే sin inverse of this value.
Yes, sir.
Ravinda?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ ఉందా ఈసారి?
No, sir. Next week ఉంది, ఈ వీక్ లేదు.
Okay. The denser is rarer. See, when light ray is going from denser into rarer, this is a critical angle. So, of course, this is the 90. Now, if you extend this like this, imaginary, this CIT is C. Okay, this is the ray, this is the original path of the ray. So, ray deviated from this original path to this. And that is called deviation. So, this is the original path, this is the final path. So, deviated from original path to final path and then angle 90.
90 minus.
See this here. Apudi goes. The value 90 minus C. 90 ni emantaru pi by 2 minus C. This emantaru angle of deviation antaru. This particular angle is the angle of deviation. Normal. Denser, rarer. Ray is going from denser into rarer. When it is critical angle, the ray grazing. This is called C. Because this is C. This is called angle of deviation. 90 minus C. Or pi by 2 minus C. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Next. Then light ray entering from denser into rarer, and light ray entering from denser into rarer. If the angle in denser is greater than critical angle, Okay? This is rarer, this is denser. So this angle is equal to CIT, graze out. This is greater than critical angle. Apply the ray, this angle becomes more than 90. More than 90, ray goes into the same
medium.
The ray entering from denser, coming back to denser, and then the reflection. Mirror like by this. So it undergoes what? Then greater than critical angle. Then the ray reflected back into same denser medium. same denser medium called total internal reflection. Called total internal reflection. So reflection అంటే ఏంటి? In the case of reflection, when any ray undergoes reflection, the angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Rendu equal undali. Idi kuda gradient. Okay. Now, what is the angle of deviation? This ray is supposed to travel like this, but it came like this. This is called angle of deviation. So, etla deviation etra anukovali?
An 80 minus 2 theta, where theta is greater than critical.
Idi greater than c, idi kuda greater than c. Ante kada rendu okate kada. So, deviation అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇది మొత్తం ఎంత? ఇది మొత్తం ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి
180.
ఇది మొత్తం 180. 180 నుంచి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ సి, ఈ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ సి తీసేస్తే ఇది వస్తుంది.
Yes, sir.
So this is equal to 180 minus 2 times greater than c. So the maximum equal to 180, approximately 2 greater than c కదా, 2 equal తీసుకుంటే అప్పుడు ఇది maximum అవుతుంది. 2c 180 minus 2c.
What did you write below D, sir?
Maximum.
ఇదా మ్యాక్స్ అంటే ఇది 2 greater than c ని ఈక్వల్ సి రాసిన కదా, అంటే this value greater than c is slightly more compared to 2c, no?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So when this is decreasing, this value becomes maximum. Now application. Okay. A fish be a fish 8 meters. A fish 8 meters depth in water, observing outside world. A fish 8 meters depth in water, observing outside world. Okay. The radius of circular horizon through which fish can see. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
That means Here is a normal. This is water. ఇది air. Okay. Now, fish ఇక్కడ ఉంది. A light ray entering from water into air. If any object is flying like this here, the fish is able to see. Suppose fish observe at certain angle. Okay, maximum angle it can see, say some angle. Then the ray deviates like this. So any object is coming here, fish is able to see this object. Similarly, the maximum angle where it can see is equal to critical angle. When the angle is equal to critical angle, fish can see any object which is coming only on surface like boat or anything. If still the fish extends its angle, the angle becomes greater than C. The ray will be reflected back to the same water. So fish cannot see outside world. So maximum distance fish can see only up to here to here.
Criticalness.
Yeah. Similarly, like this side also same. Critical angle. Behind this fish cannot see. So if you draw circle on the surface of water, if you draw circle on the surface of water, this is the radius of circular horizon through which fish can see outside world. This is the radius of the circular horizon behind which fish cannot see the outside world. So all the rays has to go only to this, like this. Okay? This radius is asked. Okay. This is C and ఇది కూడా C. ఇది C and ఇది కూడా C. ఇది depth of the sea and the fish from the surface and the H. Now you see what is a tan C? Tan C is opposite side by this. R by H. Tan C and then the sin C by cos C. R by H. So sin C by cos C and root 1 minus sin square C is R by H. Sin C and then the 1 by mu. Root 1 minus 1 by mu square is R by H. So 1 by mu by root mu square minus 1 by mu square equal to R by H. So R by H equal to 1 by mu root mu square minus 1 by mu. These two gets cancelled. So R is equal to H by root mu square minus 1. So radius of circular horizon through which fish can see outside world is this. Hmm?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here nu is refractive index of rarer with respect to denser. Sir.
Mu is a refractive index of water with respect to air. Refractive index of water with respect to air. Jana?
1 minute, sir. Don't erase, sir.
Obligation 2. See. Now, either air or vacuum, all colors travel with same speed. But in a medium, different colors travel with different velocity. Okay? So if you take 7 colors with GR, in these 7 colors, velocity is highest for red. This is in a medium other than air or vacuum. Okay now? Now, ఇంకా చెప్పు wavelength కూడా among 7 colors wavelength is highest for
Red.
red కి wavelength highest ఉంటుంది. Next refractive index చెప్పు.
For violet, it will be
Refractive index అంటే mu is inversely proportional to velocity. Velocity ఎక్కువ ఉంటే mu తక్కువ. So velocity దేనికి ఎక్కువ ఉంది? Red. So refractive index is least for red. Greatest for
violet.
Next critical angle. Critical angle in the critical angle. Sin C is equal to 1 by mu. And refractive index, critical angle are inversely proportional. So refractive index highest for violet and critical angle is least for violet. Then the red ke red is highest. Maybe suppose now when a white light entering from medium into air. When a white light entering from medium into air, okay, then it splits into 7 colors as well. Okay. Sure. This is white light. Convert.
Yes, sir.
This is medium. This is air. Glass air. Suppose critical angle is highest for red. Critical angle for violet 10 anko. This 20, this 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Critical angle for red enta 70. Just imagination. Critical angle for violet 10 ankunte itla increase avutundi. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Suppose it is incident at an angle 40. 40 is the critical angle for which color?
Yellow.
Huh?
Yellow, sir.
Green, sir. Green.
Green.
Green, sir.
Green. Madhyali.
Yes, sir. Green.
And when this is the critical angle for green, and which color will be grazing? Green. Critical angle for green color. Adhameda?
Yes.
Okay. This 40 is greater than which critical angle for which colors?
Violet.
Violet, indigo, blue.
Indigo blue. Violet, indigo blue ku this
Total.
40 greater.
Yes, sir.
Okay? These 3 colors, critical angles are smaller, but 40 is more than critical angle for these 3 colors. So these 3 colors will undergo
Internal reflection.
total internal
Reflection.
reflection. ATM violet, indigo blue. Which colors does not undergo total internal reflection?
Yellow, orange, and red.
Orange.
So, Adhameda?
Yes, sir.
Orange, red. Adhameda cinema?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yellow, orange, and red will undergo total internal reflection. Yes.
Critical angle for yellow, orange, red enta 50, 60, 70. And their critical angles are very high. You are sending after all with 40.
Yes.
There is a critical angle of these three colors. So these three colors does not undergo total internal reflection.
Okay.
But whereas while violet, indigo, blue, critical angles are smaller. Your 40 is more than their critical angles. So these three colors will undergo total internal reflection.
Yes.
Ayipinda?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Vishala?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. You have got a prism like this, made up of glass. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In that adi 60, 90, ఇది 60, ఇది 90, ఇది
60.
30.
30.
On the top, there is a liquid under. There is a liquid in it. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, ray is striking normally. So, whenever ray strikes normally, ఏమైతది? చూడు. Now, this is a medium. This is water, అనుకో. This is air. This is normal. Suppose if a ray strikes normally on water, and the ray incident on the water at an angle made by incident ray with the normal enta 0. So mu W equal to sin I by
Sin R.
sin R equal to sin I by mu W. I enta 0. Sin 0 by mu W. Sin 0 is 0. 0.
Yes, sir.
అంటే sin R 0 అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? R కూడా
Same.
అంటే whenever ray incident normally, ray goes straight without any deviation. So ఇది నార్మల్లీ ఇన్సిడెంట్ అవుతుంది. రేట్ అవుతుంది స్ట్రైట్ గా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అట్లా వెళ్ళిపోదు. ఇక్కడ మన మీడియం వేరే ఉంది కదా. సో ప్రిజమ్ లో స్ట్రైట్ గా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇది నార్మల్. ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫేస్ కు ఇక్కడ ఇది నార్మల్. చెప్పు ఈ యాంగిల్ ఎంత అవుతుంది అప్పుడు? ఇది ట్రయాంగిల్ ఎంత 90 కదా.
Yes, sir.
ఇది 90, 60 అంటే ఇది ఎంత?
30.
30. ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది?
60.
60. అంటే with this normal, this ray entering from prism into liquid with the angle of incidence ఎంత? 60. కదా?
Yes, sir.
సో వాడు ఏమంటాడు క్వశ్చన్ లో? Light is incident normally on face AB. This face AB. Okay, face AB. A liquid of refractive index placed on the face AC. Yes. The prism is made up of glass. Okay. The limits of mu for which limits of refractive index of liquid for which total internal reflection takes place on the face AC. Face AC దగ్గర ఏం కావాలంట? So for total internal reflection on face AC, ఏం కావాలి? 60 should be equal to critical. 60 should be greater than 60 అనేది greater than critical angle of glass with respect to liquid. The glass is liquid. Okay. So sin 60. Sin CGL. Sin 60 ఎంత? √3/2. Sin CGL అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1 by refractive index of glass with respect to it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ఇది ఇక్కడ తీసుకురా. ఇప్పుడు అట్లే పెడతాను. ఇది మ్యూ ఎల్జీ.
Yes, sir.
అంటే √3/2 greater than μL/μg. √3/2 into μg greater than μL. √3/2 μg ఎంత? 3/2. సో ఈ సింబల్ మనం ఇది ఇటు వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? లెస్ అవుతుంది అంతేనా? ఉల్టా అయితే
Yes, sir.
సింబల్ లెస్ అవుతుంది. అంటే రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ ద లిక్విడ్ ఎంత ఉండాలి? లెస్ దాన్ 3√3/4.
4.
So refractive index of liquid, this should be less than or at least equal to 3√3/4. Less than 3√3/4. అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు?
Yes, sir.
Application 4 పోదామా?
So 1 minute. Done, sir.
చూడు, ఇది గ్లాస్ ల్యాబ్. ఓకే,
Yes, sir.
రే strikes the glass slab on a horizontal face at an angle I. So ray ఏమైతుంది? స్ట్రైట్ గా పోకుండా
Deviate.
రిఫ్రాక్ట్ కావాలి. రిఫ్రాక్ట్ అయింది. సో రే ఇట్లా స్ట్రైట్ పోకుండా ఇట్లా రిఫ్రాక్ట్ అయింది. ఓకే
Yes, sir.
యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. క్వశ్చన్ ఏమడుగుతున్నాడు? కంప్యూట్ క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్ అండ్ రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్లాస్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐ. సో రే grazing vertical face. Vertical face అంటే ఇదే కదా నాన్న?
Yes, sir.
If ray grazing vertical face, ఏమైతుంది? When a ray grazing the vertical face is normal. Graze ఎప్పుడైతుంది? ఈ యాంగిల్ క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్ అయితే. Greater than critical angle అయితే it undergoes total internal reflection.
Yes, sir.
సరే, ఇదేంటి? the angle of refraction ఇది 90 degrees. ఇది 90. ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ లోపల ఇక్కడ అప్లై at A. What the Snell's law? Is mu1 is 1, mu2 is mu glass. mu1 sin I equal to mu2 sin R. 1 into sin I, mug into sin R. ఇక్కడ R అంటే R plus 90 plus C. ఇది 90. The sum of these two 90 ఉండాలి కదా?
Yes.
So R should be
90 minus.
So mu g sin 90 minus C
Cos.
cos C. Cos C అంటే 1 minus
Sin.
sin square C. 1 minus 1 by mu g square. So mu g into root mu g square minus 1 by
Mu
mu g square. So ఇది root
g square
mu
minus.
square minus 1. ఇది sin I. కదా?
Yes, sir.
స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే రెండు వైపులా sin square I equal to mu g square minus 1. 1 plus sin square I is mu g square. కదా?
Yes.
So
Cos.
mu equal to
Cos square.
అర్థమైందా? మరి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ mu g అన్నాడు. mu g వచ్చేసి
Okay.
టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ I.
Sir, why did you take mu1 as 1, sir?
ఎయిర్ కదా, ఎయిర్ అండ్ గ్లాస్.
Yes.
ఇది స్నెల్స్ లా. ఇన్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ దేంట్లో ఉంది? ఎయిర్ లో ఉంది. ఎయిర్ అంటే వాట్ ద రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్ 1 కదా. mu2 ఇది గ్లాస్. అర్థమైంది?
Yes, sir.
క్రిటికల్
Yes.
యాంగిల్ వస్తుంది
1 by
equal to 1 by mu g. Sin c 1 by mu g అంటే ఇది 1 by root 1 plus sin square I. అది క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
సరే, ఇవాళ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్. మీకు ఎన్ని వస్తాయి క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్ వరకు లెక్క చేయండి. లెక్క చేయకపోతే ఏం రావు మేడం. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
రికార్డ్ చెప్పలే.
Added to your gallery, sir.
Huh?
It will be added to your gallery, sir. So delete after meeting, sir.
టెక్నాలజీ ఫస్ట్ సరే. సరే సార్. ఎందుకు లేదు